Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. This video is focused on my robotic arm with pneumatic hand. It's been a while and it is a bit dusty, but that's the way things go. Last time I added some LEDs right there, and those LEDs are connected to the valves of the pneumatic system. Idea is that then indicates if a valve is actually activated, and then it doesn't matter anymore if the fingers are not activated anymore. Well, it does matter, of course, but then at least I see that the valves are being activated from the point of the controller. What I so far cannot see is if these switches, and let me turn the camera a little bit, these switches, 5 in total, if these are actually being detected. That detection comes from here, also the controller, or more likely the extension. So what I'm going to do is add at least one LED to the controller, and then of course also the ground, the white strip right here, to see if I can make it work the same way. If so, then I'll add more, because right now I have to run the software that I wrote in order to find out if everything works. And without the software I can't do anything unless I use the diagnostics. But with LEDs I visualize everything, and then I don't need either. So let's get to that. After constructing the familiar LED with wire to ground and wire to plus, this doesn't work at all, and I've tested this successfully with another LED, which means that this LED is not functional. I also took the opportunity to test this one, and this one doesn't work either, so I have to find LEDs that do work. I managed to scrap an LED, or actually more than one, from an old board, and lo and behold, it works out. So this one I'm going to test on that part right here. To test it, I am going to connect it in a variable terminator block. I have to replace this, but for now it has to do. Multimeter set on resistance, and then check, yeah, that connects. So one here, one right here, there's connection. Terminator block works. So that's alright. And now I have to make sure I'm going to fit it in one of the wires here, and then connect this terminator block here. So that's going to be a little bit of a challenge. And right now I have a big question, because I have mounted everything nicely. Right wire, right connection, right here. I am with both hands free. And yet this LED is burning, which means contact is being made. So either my idea is wrong, or something is wrong with the wiring. And another thing to try now is using the diagnostics to see if the LED is changing status, being on or off, while using the diagnostics interface. And for that I have to use the screencast to show you. Diagnostics interface opened, and the camera obviously at the new LED. Then first diagnostic interface fingers, which should be that if you follow this cursor, these inputs should light up. So thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger. And if you have noticed, the LED isn't doing anything at all, just burning. Well, right now with this one, not impressed, because the interface says no. the LED should be off, which is clearly not the case. So the question is, alongside with other experiences, should I reverse the connectors right here? Should plus be minus and minus be plus in order to make this happen? One way to find out, do it. Polarity of the connectors now reversed. So let's check the sump again. And now it is obviously working. So yes, the polarity of the connectors should be reversed. And if I now will add other LEDs, I have to reverse them all. So this is proof. I don't have to check the wires anymore if anything doesn't work. Just the LED signaling yes or no is showing that the connection is there. So if there is anything with the wire between the thumb switch and the LED, it won't work. Then I know something is wrong with the wiring and the specific wire at that. Point proven. With the hardware part solved, I still have to add an LED to the schematics. Being added to the thumb, this part is obviously to the ground, so following the wire I come to I5 where I have to add an LED. LED selected. And I have to rotate this one. Select, rotate, rotate, another rotation. And this one has to go parallel to the whole wire and to the ground. That is one. And this one is going to, well, somewhere to the ground. And that thing then to do is like this. So, ground wire added, or LED and ground wire. Maybe tidying up a little bit, but it does work and this works. More LEDs added off camera or on camera. Anyway, one thing to be done, left to be done, is replacing this terminal block, because this is really old and not that stable, although it does work for now. But I really have to fix it to this type. But that's for another time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram, and you can donate via PayPal, Ko-fi, and by becoming a patron. Please check also my website, which is listed under the video. Obviously this is going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.